Let's see how is the month of February going to be for every zodiac sign in detail. Hi, my name is Nidhi, also known as the Tarot Girl. I do personal readings, customized sessions based on your needs, spiritual and also law of attraction programs for you. Link is in the description for the tarot sessions. So in this video, I'm going to cover complete detail of every zodiac sign, each aspect. Also stay tuned till the end because I'm going to give you universe messages for your zodiac along with certain remedies which will help you make February more happier and more abundant. So let's begin directly. If you like what I do and if this video helps you at any point, don't forget to like and also subscribe my channel. So first, let's begin with Aries. Aries, I'm also going to see universe messages for you, so stay till the end. Let's see what is happening with you in the month of February. Connect to my energies by commenting below 111. Let's see. Wow. You are literally going to be the go-getter in February, Aries. You're so energetic. You are totally ready to fight with anybody, to fight with any problems, any person, any situation in your life. You are not going to settle for less. In the month of February, you are going to make sure that you win the battle in the end. Be it in your career, be it in the relationship, or anything in the personal life, you're not going to give up very easily. You're very motivated in the month of Feb. You're very charged up. Some of you are a little too hyper and desperate as well, and you don't want to settle for less. You know what your target is. You know what you want to do in the month of February. You have a complete understanding about where you want to go, what you want to achieve, what is right for you, and you are going to start the cycle and complete the cycle that you start. A lot of you will see wish coming true, a lot of wish of yours coming true, more specific in your career and professional life. Around the first half of the month, you're possibly also going to have fights with somebody at workplace or can be in personal life, but basically you're going to have some harsh arguments with people, with your surrounding, and you would be like, no, I am right, I have to prove myself, and I'm not going to tolerate anybody's nuisance, anybody's nonsense. You are all charged up. You're charged up to give your best, and you are giving your best. You're doing everything possible. You're not taking enough rest. You're not taking break too much in life. You're not taking enough rest. If something has to be finished by the day end or by the weekend, you're actually finishing it at right time. So as I said, you're all active, you are productive in the month of Feb. Let's see some important message, anything else that you need to know, what's happening with you. Wow. All right. You don't want anybody who is giving you, so anybody coming in your life, in your friendships, family, relationship, who keeps you on hanging, who keeps you at the edge, you're literally going to take their case. You're going to take people's case if they are not honest to you and if they are trying to mislead you. Somebody is going to mislead you and you're going to catch them and you're going to take their case. And anybody making false promises to you or anybody giving some commitment and not fulfilling that commitment, this time you will not spare them. You're not going to forgive anybody easily. This time you're not going to spare anybody. This time you will show who you are. It's like a lioness energy. So you are roaring. You're literally roaring in the month of Feb. As I promised, the remedy time for you. You need to follow the remedy. You just need to make sure that sometimes saying truth is, obviously, saying truth is a good thing, but in the process of saying truth, make sure you say that with kindness, and make sure you do not, everybody has a certain level of tolerance, so looks like your tolerance level is going to break as compared to other people around you. You will have to control your tolerance level a lot. Try, the best thing that you can actually do is, anytime that you feel you have to speak and you're not able to speak up, the remedy for that is, you want to pour out your anger, your aggression, your energy out, and you're not able to do that, or if you feel like doing that will backfire me and the relationship, you just write down on a piece of paper every aggression that you have, that you want to desperately outbreak with. Just write down everything on a piece of paper, just burn it off and flush it in your washroom. That remedy will help you save certain relations and save your image. So do not spoil your image. Let's see what universe has for you. What is it that universe wants to specially tell you? This message is very important. Wow, okay. So this is for your love life, that universe is saying there's going to be somebody romantically who will come up in your life, somebody you can trust, some romantic relation, some romantic people in your life, and you're going to get advice from somebody older to you. Can be your parents, can be your boss, can be any older relative, grandparents. You're going to get some very beautiful advice from them, and that will make your thoughts very mature. You will have somebody very matured, very respectable around you. Take that person, take that people's help. That will really make your Feb even better. Also, if you want to make your Feb more balanced, more happier, you can WhatsApp me for customized affirmation, which are going to be based only on your energy. I'll be curating it just for you and tell you the process of how to follow them, why to follow them to make your Feb the best month. WhatsApp to know that. Hi Taurus, let's see February in depth for you. Connect to my energies by commenting 222. Also, I'm going to give you remedies. I'm also going to give you special universe messages. So watch till the end. Only then it will actually help you. Let's see. So much of progress happening finally in your career. Those who are actually waiting to change their place, city, location, job, career path, those who are wanting to see an approval in their academics, basically anybody who was waiting for an approval, for a push, for a change, all that change is finally happening. The wheel of fortune, the fortune is working in your favor, and this is the card of victory, this is the card of progress, and this is the card of actually getting that recognition, actually getting that fulfillment, internal fulfillment that you were seeking. You're internally going to feel complete, you're going to feel full. So many of you are also going to be awakened spiritually. Your intuitions are going to work for you. Your prayers are going to be answered. Your prayers are going to be fulfilled. You're going to be those who are living away from their family, city, or your loved ones. There is some meeting happening as well. Either you'll be meeting your family, your lover, or your friends. If some sort of travel happening, travel to the hometown or from hometown to somewhere. Basically, this is the card of travel, meeting somebody special, meeting some old people, meeting your own people as well. This month is going to bring a lot of luck into your life. Trust me, so much luck into your life. Also, what I see is your spiritual pores are really awakened and aligned at this time. So anything that you do, any good thing that you pray for will come your way. A little bit also negative that you think will amplify because you're spiritually very high. So don't tune subconsciously your brain any negative thinking, that will backfire. In fact, channelize it in positive things that will really make a lot of difference into your life. Let's see what else also cards have for you as a message. Oh my god. See, sometimes cards want to give you same messages again and again. This is the card of family. This is the card of reuniting with the family. Those having issues going on with their husband, with their wife, with their boyfriend, girlfriend, or family members, relatives, all that will get resolved. Those going through property issues, housing related issues, rental issues, all that also will get resolved. Those waiting for some external things in the life to move, something in your surrounding to move, people in the surrounding to move, you to change the place, you to change the locality, that will also happen. Those waiting to travel or do some adventurous thing, to learn some new hobby, new activity, anything new in life, even learn driving in this matter. You will have a chance to do that in this month of Feb. you are really going to enjoy the pace. The month will start and finish, and you're not going to realize how it started and how it finished. One remedy, one advice or one remedy that I would want to give you is hear this clearly. इस महीने there is high chance that things are moving really happy. Like your people are going to see visibly that you're happy, that life is transforming for you, career wise, personally as well. Just protect yourself from any sort of before anything happens, don't share that. And even if you want to share anything to anybody, make sure you cleanse your energy much often. So you can use sage to cleanse your energy. You can buy it from me, you can WhatsApp California sage. This will help you keep away from anybody's bad aura, anybody's nazar, anybody's because everything is happening too fast. So people are gonna have an eye on you. So make sure nobody has a little bit of power to take away what you deserve. A beautiful time with family. Those, in fact, planning a family, pregnancy, best time to do that as well. Let's see what universe has to say. For a very few of you, if you are in the process of finding love or about to get married and family discussion is happening, the approval will come more faster now. Families will agree. This is for a very few set of people I know who are watching, and this applies to you. Let's see what universe has to say. Universe is saying that you will have to multitask in the month of Feb. Multitasking is going to be required the most. A lot of things are going to come together and you'll be so overwhelmed that should I put the focus here, should I put the focus there? But make sure multitasking will solve everything. Sudden changes, sudden change in plans, sudden travel plans, sudden news coming up, suddenly overnight something new coming up is expected in your life, but obviously in a good way. So be ready and prepared for that. Also, if you look forward for your life, customized affirmations for all aspects of your life, I will curate it just for you based on your energies to make your February even more successful. You can WhatsApp me to get the customized affirmation and learn the whole process with guide taught by me. Hi Gemini, let's see how in depth your month is along with special universe message and remedies as I promised. Connect to my energies by commenting 333. So much money your way. Security, stability, money is all this month talks about. You're going to be extremely busy in this month. You're not going to have time for your personal life. You are going to be very occupied to focus on making wealth, minting money, on spending money as well, a lot of you. And you're going to work really hard. Your career is going to make you hustle. Your work, if doing job, if doing academics, business, whatever the case is, very important and crucial work and project will come your way, which you wouldn't have a chance to lose. Like you will have to give your best. Just like me sitting on the chair, you will constantly be sitting on the chair, doing same things again and again. A little monotonous month, not bad, but it's a little monotonous. Same old cycle, waking up at X number of time, and then sleeping at the same time every day, and then same cycle repeating. So it's like, who likes dal chawal every day, right? So same way, your life is looking a little monotonous in the month of Feb. A lot of you, those who are in the creative field, those who are in the field that requires a lot of structuring, financing, planning, plotting, researching, very important period is going to come to you. You will not have much time to waste. Every minute will count. Take February, be very disciplined in February. February is going to be really crucial to shape up the rest period of the year. A lot of you will get new opportunities as well, but be quick in grabbing the new opportunity. Don't keep comparing that, no, let me just keep this on hold, then let me try something else. No, do not try to multitask in the month of Feb. The more you multitask, the more difficult February will be for you. So take this advice. Financially, a lot of gains. Those who have been waiting for promotion, more income, returns on your investment, all that will happen in your favor. Personal life, not much things are happening, but let me see, is there any other special message for you as well? Personal life, you're not paying much attention. A lot of things are very emotional for some of you in your personal life. Your personal life is going I wouldn't use the word breakdown, but there are a lot of problems that would happen. You might lose some people in your personal life, in your relationships, or some people you had a lot of expectations from. Yeah, this is the card of move on. This is the card of certain relationships spoiling. This is the card of somebody hurting you. This is the card of you being disappointed. So, personal life, not that great energies. You will feel like वैसे भी छोड़ो anything, nothing is happening in the personal life, so let me just focus in my professional life. In fact, you're using your professional life as a distraction for your personal life. So a lot of you will see little upsetness, breakdown, no contact situation, certain friendships breaking, some people hurting you, some people not being real to you, not being worthy enough for you happening in your personal life. Also, if you actually want to make your February more happier, more aligned for every aspect of your life, I give personalized affirmation based on just your energies. It's made by me, how to use, why to use, the complete guide is given. You can WhatsApp me to get that so that February is much balanced. Let's see what universe has to say, something that universe wants to bring to your notice. Universe is saying, yeah, same thing, you're going to get very emotional for somebody in the month of February, and then you will realize that you gave so much of love to this person, you got so emotional that you lost yourself, you lost your self-respect, you lost your own grounding, and sudden emotional experience is going to come your way which would make you feel a little dramatic in your love life, or somebody would try to flirt with you but not have good intentions for you. So a romantic life or personal life is something that you're supposed to be cautious of, is what universe is saying. If this video has helped you a little bit also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I keep coming with more videos for you. Hi Cancerians. Let's see how is this month of February. Connect to my energies by commenting below 666. Also, at any point if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. Wow. I'm going to pull out universe message as well in the end and give you remedies as well. So watch completely. You have literally slapped a lot of people in your life. Obviously not slapped, but slapped by your actions, by your achievements, by showing up that, listen, you criticized me, you disliked me, you always defamed me, but this is who I am, this is my potential. You will show up great progress in your financial, in your career, in your overall approach towards life. You will grow your standard of living from what you used to do months back. A lot of progress happening. All your insecurities will go away step by step in the month of February. You're no more feeling unsafe. You're no more feeling insecure in your relationships, in your family, with your looks. So a lot of you, if you're feeling insecure by how you look, the house you stay in, the city that you stay in, you'll not feel insecure anymore. You will gain the confidence. You will gain the trust in yourself. Also, a lot of you will totally be surrounded in your own circle. Like you have like a limited group of people, friends, and you like doing those things itself. You're not too fashionable, or you don't like show off. You do not like to do all that. In fact, you're not doing, at least in the month of February. You're like, if I have something, I'll keep it close to myself. I don't want to show it to everybody. If I've achieved something, you're very grounded in the month of February. You're feeling very calm, very grounded. You're very polite to everybody. Even if those people have been bad to you, you've forgiven them, and you're very polite in the month of February. Not much of an over enthusiastic or an over energetic energy is there. Financially, you're feeling very safe, very secured. If you've been finding new home, new house, wanting to shift to a new place, if you've been wanting to buy something for yourself in the form of investment, in the form of car or any electronics, any expense or any asset, you will have all the privilege to do it right now. People will respect you. People will want you in their life more than you wanting people, which is a good thing. One remedy for you is try as much as possible, cleanse your money, cleanse your wallet, cleanse your money, cleanse your cards. How do you cleanse that? either cleanse it with salt, bath salt. You can buy the bath salt from me, or you can cleanse it with sage. If you do not have either of it, then the best is incense stick, agarbatti. Just take it, keep rotating over the money, over the wallet. Just keep cleansing your space, your drawer, your money box. That will keep you more safeguarded in money and finances. The finances has come to you after a long time and are going to stay with you longer when you cleanse money and all these energies of money. Write good affirmations for money on a sheet of paper and keep that inside your wallet. That will also help you. Yeah, in fact, I curate customized affirmations for you based on your energies for the month of February for all aspects of life. So if you want to get that, learn that with complete guidance from me, you can WhatsApp me. It will really help you make your month more happier. So that's the remedy, the money remedy and the cleansing remedy, along with the affirmation. All the money cards are itself coming up. And also secured relationship. For a very few of you, marriage is on cards, secured relationship is in card, very matured relationship, very peaceful relationship is on card. You will be honest, and you will have honest people around you. Anybody who comes in this month, any choices that comes your way is going to stay with you longer. This month is the time to make long-term choices. It's very blissful. If this video has helped you at any point, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. The overall message is positive changes are coming into your life. You'll get relief from the bad or difficult time, and some sort of traveling or relocation is expected for a lot of you. That's universe wants you to know right now. Hi Leo, let's see how is the month of February for you in depth for all aspects, along with a special universe message from these cards and remedy where required to make your month more happier. So watch till the end to get complete benefit. Comment below 777 to connect to my energies. You are in your own world in the month of Feb. You're enjoying in the sense you're not too bothered. You're like, all right, if this has to happen, it will happen. If it doesn't have to happen, let it go. You're not worrying about things a lot. You're not attached to people. You're not attached to outcome anymore. You've done a lot of attachment in your past, and you know when you're too attached, either you hurt yourself or either you just lose that thing. And that's why you're not very attached about anything in the month of Feb. Career-wise, you will see quite a lot of progress happening. Your creative skills will come up, new ideas will come up, you will feel excited to try new things, you'll feel motivated, you'll feel energetic in career. Progress in career is happening. Financial state is almost where it was, not major changes happening in money. In fact, financially, the more you're trying to grow, the more you're trying to be strict, the more you're trying to be materialistic, the more you're losing out on money. So that's why you're very detached. You're like, I'll give my best, I'll do whatever I can, but I don't want to be concerned of the results and the outcome and the output. You're not putting much efforts on people at all. You're like, if I have to get a partner, I'll get a partner. If my partner has to love me, let him love me. If he or she cannot love me, I will still love myself. This is the card of self-love, childlike energy. You're going to feel, or you might meet some children around you, so you would feel childlike. You'll feel very babyish. You'll feel a little like you will dress well. You will spend a little bit on your new clothes, on your accessories, on if you're male, then on yourself for buying something for yourself. But you would want to be either beautiful or handsome. So you're not concerned about how world is looking into you, how people are judging you. You're like, I don't care. I don't have to tell. I'll be who I am. I will not change anymore. I will not change my personality based on people, but I'll be authentic to who I am. And that is what I like about you. Some of you are facing issues in sleep. You're not getting peaceful sleep. You're not getting sound sleep, or you are not able to rest enough. Your health is not that much working great for you. One remedy here out clearly. One remedy for you is try drinking as much as possible water, but not normal water. Water with some cleansing ingredients, which includes lemon, mint, tulsi. Try either eating that, try just drinking the lemon juice, tulsi, mint, curry leaves, either inside the water or like eat it and then drink water as much as possible. Try drinking hot water. It will rebalance your energies, it will cleanse your system a lot, and that will help you indirectly to be more balanced. Try physical activity, try some physical activities, gym, sports, walking, jogging, cycling, any physical activity. That will really help you get nice sleep, better sleep. Those are the remedies. Let's see what universe has to say. This is very important. If this video has helped you anywhere, little bit also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Universe is saying you need to have a lot of patience in life. There are good things going to come your way. There will be a lot of satisfaction that you will receive in your job, in your work life, in your professional life. As I said, you are going to be creative, you are excited, you are thrilled. So your career is getting much better. Universe is saying whatever next steps in your life you take, currently plan that with thinking about long term. So keep into mind long term and then plan any decisions. Be more patient. Satisfaction will automatically come in your life and is coming also in your work life in this month of February. At any point, if you feel you need any help, obviously you can WhatsApp, take the session. In fact, for the month of February, for your life, just for you, based on your energies, I'm going to customize for you affirmations for all aspects of your life, along with the guide on how to follow, why to follow that to make your month very happy. You can WhatsApp to get that and learn that from me. Hi Virgos, let's see how is the month of February in depth for you, along with a special universe message and remedies for you where required to make it your month more happier. Connect to my energies by commenting below 555. My God, okay. These energies are really intense. Wow. Stay tuned. Okay. So Virgos, there is somebody from the past going to come back into your life. Whatever stage of your life you are in, something of the past that you decided is over, that was ended, that you never expected will again come back to you. Here I mean about a person. But obviously if it's not a person for you, it is a job offer, it is a project, it is a thought that was once closed, ended, and you just made peace with it. Or you were basically, if you were seeking for some closure, some answers, that why this happened, why was I the one, why did God do this with me, all that will be answered in the month of Feb. You will get answers for a lot of incomplete things in your life. You will learn a lot of lessons in the month of Feb. For those who were waiting for something of the past to come back, a lover, a relationship, a closure, all that will come your way. Lot of third party situation also happening. Like as I said, if you're in relationship and if your partner, ex-partner tries to contact you, some third party situation would get created. For a very few of you, nostalgia of past will happen. You will go back to your past days, past relationship, or with the current person itself, but on the past months with the current person. A lot of old things will get discussed, or a lot of unresolved issues will come up, a lot of hidden problems will come up. You will realize, you will learn, you will get a lot of information which might not be good to the ears to hear or for the heart to feel, but that is what it is. Either there's going to be complete start to a new start, a fresh start in your life in love and relationship, or there's going to be an ugly end to it and you would never want to see that person's face ever again. It's extremist energy. However, I see this energy more towards a closure side. Getting answer, getting closure, and then something completely closing, some karma cycle closing. So irrespective of good happens, bad happens, your karma cycle is going to be clean. The cords of your karmic cycle are going to be cleansed with some situations, some relations in the life. Be happy about it. Who wants to be in the old cycle and past life karma, right? So be happy about the karmic cycle being cleansed. Yeah. Again, the relationship, family, love cards have come up. I don't see a lot of things happening in your career and in your work life. I mean, it's going normal. Things are normal. Everything is routine. Everything is happening normally. Nothing new. Nothing like a new work, new job, or nothing like a sudden change in the career happening. Everything is fine. Slow, steady, yet holding the grip. A lot of things are just happening in your emotional life, in your health, in your family life, in your environment, in your surrounding. You will start connecting to God, to nature, to your own self much better. You will rediscover yourself. If you have lost hopes in life, you will now gain the hopes in life. If you have lost the connection with your own self, you will now gain that connection back. In fact, one remedy for you would be try practicing forgiveness ritual. Now, forgiveness ritual includes where you forgive yourself, where you forgive everybody around you, where you forgive everything that has once hurt you, or if you have ever hurt anybody, say sorry to people. As in, imagine you're saying sorry to people. Imagine you're saying sorry to yourself. Imagine you're saying sorry to God. Not imagine, actually say sorry and bow down. Keep bowing down to the Mother Earth. Get the energy from Mother Earth. Keep forgiving people. Keep forgiving yourself as much as possible. Write forgiveness letter where you just write, went out, say sorry from your heart. Even if you're not wrong, say sorry from your heart. Forgive all the humans and living beings on this planet that you've ever connected to. You will really cleanse your cycle. That is the remedy. Let's see what universe specially has for you. If this video helps you at any point, don't forget to like and subscribe. In fact, I actually customize affirmations where for the month of Feb, if you really want to make the month happier, abundant, really richer, for all aspects, as I said, you can WhatsApp me. I'll give you based on your energies, just affirmation customized for you, along with guide of me explaining how to follow that, why to follow that. That will really enhance and boost your energy in February. Let's see what universe has to say. Universe is saying that there's going to be some good news that would come your way, specifically in your career. Some choices that you've made in your past, in your career, in the past week, past months, that will give you recognition. So a lot of you, career is, as I said, everything is normal, nothing as such different. But in fact, universe is saying that in career, a lot of you will see some recognition, some public recognition. People will watch you, people will appreciate you, people will recognize you. So some good news in the career is expected. Career, as I said, is going fine, and universe is in fact double validating it to go even better. So I hope this has helped you. Stay tuned for more such videos. Hi Librans, let's see how is the month for you in depth, along with a special universe message and remedies where required. So watch till the end. Connect to my energies by commenting below 888. All right. Energies are beautiful. Cards have really come beautiful. Very mixed month. Half month will be really good and the other half will be equally so you'll balance out. If half month is here, then the rest certain days will be here. However, overall energy, if I see a lot of progress happening in your career, a lot of you will travel as well. This is the card of travel the world, travel to a different place, city, locality, different state, country, for whatever reason. A lot of you will travel, and a lot of you will get abroad related work and opportunities, work related to not a usual kind of work or project. A lot of you will have plans to explore some new side, some new avenue, and some new side of your current existing work as well, existing business, career, work, academics as well. A lot of new learnings happening. You're going to get the maximum exposure in this month. It will be mixed, like you'll have mixed emotions. If, say for example, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m, if you're very happy, then little will reduce by the end of the day. But overall, as I said, the energies are very fulfilling, very blissful. You will feel very lucky in the month of February. One remedy that I would want to give you is try practicing pick up any prayer of your choice, whatever religion you are in. Pick up any prayer of your choice, any prayer, any spiritual, basically bhajan, prayer, any mantra to be specific, of whatever religion you are in. keep repeating that mantra as many times, 108 times minimum, but as much as possible, go for it. So the little bit of month also that is looking low will become high, because overall energies are high and very lucky. So when you channel mantras, when you chant mantras and channel your energy, your month will be complete. It's like a complete cycle. You see, you'll have the world to explore. You'll have the world at your feet, and what more can you want, right? Your karma will work in your favor. So if you've done good deeds, trust me, karma will work really good for you. If you've been bad human, if you've cheated somebody, if you've lied to somebody, if you have been dishonest, if you've been unethical, you know what happens. So that is what the energy talks about. Your wisdom will work for you. You will have to be very technically correct in a lot of things in life. Technical knowledge, wisdom, intellectual knowledge is really going to be needed the most. Special universe message for you. Let's see. If this video has helped you at any point, don't forget to like and subscribe. Special universe message. Also, I customize affirmations for the month of Feb for your energies and life. If you want to make your month more successful, more happier, you can WhatsApp me. I'm going to give you for all areas affirmation and a guide of how to follow, why to follow. That will bring so much of abundance in February for you. Wish are coming true. Dreams are getting fulfilled. A magical time of your life is happening. Definitely a big wish of yours is coming true in February. That is also what universe has to say. A lot of dreams are getting fulfilled. It's going to be one of the most magical month for you. Hi Scorpions. Let's see how is this month of February in depth for you with special universe message and, as I promised, remedy. So watch till the end to get complete benefit. Connect to my energies and comment 444. Okay, let me see. See, there is, okay, so those who are in relationship, married, committed, or dating phase or situationship with somebody, first for you, there is going to be a big breakdown into your life, emotional breakdown, some fights happening with your loved ones. So not necessarily just loved ones means lover, but this also means with family, with your loved ones, with people you love, your family, your friends. There's some breakdown happening there. Some trust are going to get broken, and especially in your family life. This is the card of family, this is the card of partner, this is the card of love, relationship, parents, some financial issues, some financial breakdown as well for a few of you. So if there is no emotional breakdown, there'll be financial. If there's no financial, there'll be emotional. But if you understand, both of it is interlinked. Some fight, some breakdown in the house happening. For a very few of you, just watch the area within your house. Something might suddenly break in your house. Maybe your some assets inside you, some fire happening, some sudden sort of something breaking inside your house, like an expensive thing, or somebody getting hurt in the house because of slipping down in, maybe in the house, in the washroom, in the kitchen. So some inside the house and within the people of house, something very weird, something very upsetting, something very sudden, unexpected is going to happen. So just please be careful about internal house and internal relations in the house. A lot of you who were planning for separation from the family, from the in-laws, from the joint family, you will actually see that happening as well. But that wouldn't happen on a good note. If you were waiting for some money to come from your family members or some relatives, extended family, some drama around that will also get created. Let's see career energies. What is happening? I want to see career cards, but tarot is just, the messages are again and again coming. Okay, so career wise, not much is happening. In fact, a lot of you would suddenly, like, if you're in job, if you're in your academics or business, the deal was right there, the project was right there, your boss was about to give you the promotion, but something happened in the company. Something went wrong with your company, something went wrong with your team, something went wrong with that project, and you were like put on the notice period, or you decided to take the notice period, or you decided to leave the job suddenly because you were not able to handle some blames and some treatment that was happening to you. There is some break happening for a lot of you in your career. Some break, some breakdown, some things not working as per the plan, some promises not being fulfilled, or you're deliberately taking a break in your career. But this month doesn't look that great and fulfilling for a lot of reasons that I just mentioned. You would feel that every day, like you're counting every hour, every day is taking too long to finish. Obviously, right, when things are not that great, it takes time for the day to finish, for the week to finish. If you feel and at any point of time you need any help, obviously you can take session, you can WhatsApp me, you can click the link in the description. But to actually make the month of Feb more aligned, more beautiful, one remedy is try as much as possible, every night before you sleep, try recording try self-recording on your phone. What is the kind of day, week that you want the coming days to be like? Just try recording. Just keep saying good things to yourself. Just keep blessing everybody around you as well. Just normally like blessing your family, blessing your co-workers, blessing your relatives. Just sending good energy. Just keep sending good intention and good energy to people. That might reduce the problems. Other thing is, before you sleep, just record how you want the next week, next day to look like, and keep hearing that. Psychologically, that will help you reduce any problems. I will also be coming up. In fact, if you seek affirmations for all aspects of your life in February, along with the guide of how to follow that affirmation to make the month more successful, you can WhatsApp me. It's going to be just for your energies, customized for you. And I'm going to teach you how to make February much better with using those affirmations. Let's see the universe message. What's coming up? Universe is saying that you will have to keep your heart very bigger, very open. You will have to forgive a lot of people in the month of February. If you're married or if you're in existing relationship, somebody from the past would suddenly come up, or past love will disturb you, past friendship will disturb you, past emotional turmoils will disturb you. So just make sure you're as spiritual as possible. You can learn anything from me, but try being as spiritual as much as possible. A rebirth of old relationship is possible, or with the existing relationships, suddenly something going wrong is possible. So that's what universe wants to say. Keep your heart open. Keep your heart open, keep your heart clean, and be forgiving in this month of February. If this video has helped you little bit also, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Hi Sagittarius, let's see how is the month of February going to be for you. And in-depth messages for all aspects, including universe message and remedy where required. So watch till the end to get complete benefit. Comment below 999 to connect to my energies. Guys, you are going to get distracted a lot in this month in two things, okay? See what applies to you. One is relationship wise. You're getting so much distracted in the process of finding love, situationship with the current partner, some flirtatious energy, some third party disturbance for a lot of you as well. You're getting very distracted in love. Your focus is not in long term. Your focus is not onto securing yourself. You're just looking into love and everything that you're doing in life currently very materialistically. You're just seeing whether am I happy right now, whether is this good for me right now. A lot of you are indulging in bad habits, in wrong habits, in unethical habits, in unhealthy practices. Now, for example, drinking, smoking, driving too fast, being with wrong people, being awake until 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., waking up late, eating wrong things, not taking care of your health, trusting wrong people. Some of you already in relationship are still talking to other people or distracted. A lot of flirtatious energy, unethical, unreal energy, not so loyal energy. So all in all, a lot of dark energy is there. See where it applies to you, because you're not sincere. If I use the right word, you're not serious and you're not sincere. Personally, this is a lot for a lot of them in personal life. But for those whose personal life is normal, This will definitely be for the career because these are general readings. You're very distracted. You want everything. You want money also, you want status, you want to buy car, you want to buy house, you want to go on the trip also, you want to have their life like this person also, that person. Bahut dekha dekhi, watching other people's life, feeling insecure, getting jealous, taking wrong choices, trying to imitate other people's standard. You need to know what is your capacity right now. Be motivated, say good things, use right ways to grow in life, not the wrong way and wrong choices to grow in life. Do not use shortcuts in life. One remedy for you would be, please start going to temple, whatever religion you are in, temple, gurudwara, whatever applies to you, church, whatever applies to you, start going to religious places. God will really protect you from wrong people, wrong decisions, wrong thoughts. Just your brain gives you very sort of, it pinches you in a way that it makes you feel that this is real, but when you go near, that is fake. Like, it makes you believe a lot of fake things and fake people in your life. So you're living in a bubble. You see, it's the cloudy card. You're living in the cloud, you're living in the bubble. It's a devil card. You're having the energy of devil, and you should be having the energy of God and not devil. That's why I said the remedy for you, the only remedy for you, is keep going to religious places. Keep going to the powerful religious places. This will protect you. This will make you a better person. This will make you make better choices in life. Let's see what universe also has to say. If this video has helped you at any point, don't forget to like and subscribe. Universe is saying, you need to put yourself away from fear. Unfold all the fears in your life. You're focusing way too much on worst case scenarios in life. And you know, right? 99.9% worst scenarios in life actually never even happen. Stop being so negative. Stop being so insecure. Stop being jealous and stop doubting yourself so much. Focus on your growth and not how other people are doing. That is where you're going wrong in February. There are problems, but the problems are not as big as much as you're making. Get out of your fears. Sleep early at night. Please eat better food. Please be with better friends, better people. Which influencers do you follow? Actually follow spiritual gurus, knowledgeable people, and not wrong crowd. Don't watch celebrities' life. Don't watch influencers' life and feel that you have nothing. 80% things are false. So understand that thing clearly. At any point you feel you need my guidance, you can WhatsApp, take the tarot session. In fact, the best time for you to take the session. Also, for the month of February, I'm going to come up for your life, just based on your energy, customized affirmation for all aspects of life. And I'm going to teach you how to follow those affirmations, how to bring change in yourself. This will really help you make the month more abundant, more peaceful. You can WhatsApp me to register for that. Hi Capricorns, let's see how is this month of February for you. Connect to my energies by commenting below 666. I'm going to pull special universe message for you and also going to give you remedies where required. So watch till the end to get complete benefit. Your money is going to get spent a lot in this month, either spent or stuck up or lost, which is almost one and the same thing. Either you will overspend, or if you have little bit also that you saved, it will just get stuck up. Like, I don't see any money wise you're feeling a little stuck up. Financially you'll feel like you need more. You could have done much better. You should be doing much better, but it's getting spent on certain things that you do not plan. Like, you do not expect something to go wrong and it actually went wrong. Or you spend on certain people or certain activities or certain maybe buying that was never the part of the plan. And because of that, you're like a little, like feeling a little upset. You would constantly be in this fight with your own self, fight with your head and heart, trying to figure out certain things in your life in this month. And you're constantly thinking. There's a lot of thinking happening. Your energy, physically and mentally, is getting consumed in a lot of thinking, imagination, planning, structuring, deciding. and you're constantly watching everybody's opinion. You're watching what is happening around, what different could have been done. You're taking people's opinion, but you're not very happy taking people's opinion at the same time. So you're a little confused in the month of Feb. Those already going through health issues, you'll have to be extra careful of health related, health, physical, mental, more specific, medical, physical health. Not great health for a lot of you. And also you're going to be very secretive, like you're not going to trust people very quickly in the month of Feb. You would want to keep your life private. You would not want to very easily open up. You would not want to easily share your problems. You would not easily want to show your true colors to people. You are a little you're observing way too many things in February. You're just observing, you're just figuring out, you're just trying to be on the viewer side, be on the audience side in the month of Feb. And you're going to get a little picky and choosy as well, which is making your life very difficult, because you're very picky, you're very choosy about things, about people, about relationships. And that is why you're not coming up, like if universe has 10 options for you, you close 8 options because you're very choosy and picky, and that makes things difficult for you, at least in the month of Feb. Anybody who lies to you, anybody who is not honest to you, you're going to get signs, signals. Your intuitions are going to talk to you. Your instincts will clearly tell you what is right, who is right, what can be changed. Your instincts are going to work for you. You're really going to talk to your own self a lot in the month of February. One remedy that I would want to give you is try talking, look at the mirror and try talking out as if you're talking to your own higher self. Just look at the mirror every day for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, doing nothing but just talking to your own self, like asking the person standing in the mirror, which is you itself, whether am I doing this right, is this needed. Like talk to your own self in any possible way, either by writing it down, either by looking at the mirror and talking to yourself, or either every night before you sleep, just talk, just recap, just rewind your day. That will really help you be more aware for the next day, and you would take the decisions more rock solid. That is one remedy that you're supposed to follow. And also make sure so obviously if you're stuck up anywhere, you can always take personal session. In fact, in the month of February, if you want to make the month more happier, more powerful, based on your energies, I'm going to curate affirmations for literally all aspects of your life. You can WhatsApp me to get that, to learn that completely with my guidance, with complete understanding of it. That will really help you in the month of Feb. Let's see what universe has to say. This message is going to be very special. Let's see universe message. If this video has helped you little bit also, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Universe is saying that it is the time for you to focus on your career. Career is really going to be very important for you. Whatever stage of life you are in, single, committed, doesn't matter. Just focus on your career in February. You need to let go of certain people in your life who no longer are adding any benefit or who no longer serve anything better to you. Let go of people, just focus on career. This will help you direct your energies much better. And I wish you the best. Hi Aquarius, let's see how is the month of February in detail, along with a special universe message and remedies. So watch till the end to get the benefit. Comment below 555 to connect to my energies. A great progress is happening in your career, work-wise. You are getting new opportunities. If you've been waiting for a call from a recruiter for a new business, for a project, or a progress in your results, the results are going to be favorable. The work is going to be favorable. You're going to win. This is the card of winning, victory, new work, excitement, new projects, overall beginnings, success. This is the success that universe is offering you. This is a stable success that universe is offering you, and this is the karma working in your favor. Whatever call, whatever comes from the higher power or from somebody to you in your career will work in your favor. You will have beautiful people helping you in your career, your co-workers, your colleagues, your friends, anybody around you will help you in every possible way for you to grow. People will cheer you to be successful. People will appreciate you. People will motivate you, and that will make your self-esteem even better. You're like come on, I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's go there. Let's try this. I am all in my power. You're ready to fight, you're ready to research, you're ready to a head to head, a neck to neck competition to everybody. And people know that you have enough potential. You're very smart, you have enough potential, and that potential, this is the time to utilize your potential. What I see is overall this month is going to bring decent energy. You would have some values, that you've learned in your childhood, or the spiritual rituals that you keep doing, or the connection that you have with the blessings that you have of your family, of your older people, of your grandparents, is actually going to give you a lot of luck. So sometimes, more than your prayer, other people's prayer work for you. One remedy for you would be, try to take blessings, try to bow down, try to touch the feet and take blessings, touch the feet and like literally take blessings of older people. By older people, I just don't mean parents. Parents, of course, anybody older to you. If you have grandparents, if you still have grandparents, if you have anybody older in a teacher capacity, in a guru, more specifically a guru, touch their feet. I swear on God, you have no idea how lucky you can get if the guru gives you a blessing right now. That is the biggest remedy. Touch the feet of a guru, or try to serve a guru. Try to do some seva in a religious place this month. That will really, really, really help you a lot. What I see is God is going to give you, universe is going to give you a lot of chances. So make sure you don't take away that chances. If you're single, committed relationship, everything is fine. So I'm not mentioning anything for you. But if you're single, this is one of the luckiest month possibly coming your way. Good proposal, arranged marriage proposal, whatever. More chances for arranged marriage proposal, but whatever proposal will come your way, please do not say no to that. Obviously, if you have multiple proposals, you can always take tarot sessions for any guidance from me, and I'll guide you right. But these are generic energies where the good proposal is coming your way. Don't let that go. In fact, in the month of February, I am making customized affirmation based on your energy for your life. You can WhatsApp me if you want to register for that. I'm going to guide you how to follow that, why to follow that. That will bring so much of happiness and peace in the month of Feb. You will see a difference in yourself. Let's see what universe has for you, what universe wants to let you know. Beautiful message. A windfall of money is coming your way, or advice or assistance from others. As I said, older people are really going to be lucky. Like I gave you the remedy as well. You're going to get help, you're going to get people's advice, I did say you're going to get people's appreciation, and you're going to get financial benefit, all or either of it, from other people. There is success in your work, in your career, and happy times coming in your career, in your work life. Exactly what I said. That's what universe is saying. So I hope this has helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this helps, and stay tuned for more such videos. Hi Pisces. Let's see how is February for all aspects of your life, along with remedy. So watch till the end, and a special universe message. You will get complete benefit from this video. Comment below 333. Connect to my energies. You are feeling safe, protected, fulfilled in your life. That's why I did this. You're feeling complete. You see how relaxed you are. Just sitting this way, very relaxed, motivated for tomorrow, all ready. Of course you have stress going on in life, but your stress is cultivated, is channelized, is cultivated constructively. You have stress, you have problems, and because you have stress and problems, you also know that that's going to be part and parcel of life, and that's why you're contented at the same time. So what I see is, you know what you're supposed to do, you know what the problem is, and you also know what the solution is, and that's why you're not all in all worried. You're feeling happy, you're seeing progress. Initial few days of February may not be that promising, but as and when February goes forward, you will gain a lot of peace, you'll gain a lot of settlement, you will gain a lot of calmness. Those who are going through, very few of you have bad eating habits or bad food routine, or little like physically heavy. Take care of your body. A lot of you might gain weight, or would start eating unhealthy because of your work and because of your life schedule. So please eat as much as possible घर का खाना. Cook by yourself and start eating. Don't indulge in any drinking or too many unhealthy eating habits. This is an advice because I see that is happening. Also, what I see is, what I also see is you're feeling a little tough to save money right now financially. You want to do much more, but your body is not allowing you to do that much. You get tired very easily. Your energy levels are dropping very easily. One remedy for you would actually be is start yoga. That will really help you. Or start not gym, but start some sort of activity that has that has movement of body, that makes your body more flexible. Either badminton, either yoga, either gymnastics, something that makes your body completely roll, completely move all parts of your, even swimming in this matter. That will really help you stay charged up. That is one remedy. Also, keep donating as much as possible in this month. Donate help, donate food, donate clothes, donate money to anybody who actually needs it, okay? And donate it yourself. ऐसा नहीं that you just transferred X amount in somebody's account. That doesn't count donation. Donation is something where you involve yourself and you actually feed people. You actually put efforts to donate something. You consume your time. Your donation will come back in multiplied way. By luck or by cash, whatever the case be. Try being around animals as much as possible. Dogs and cats, cows. As much as possible, respect animals, feed animals. That is also one more remedy that will bring a lot of luck and abundance this month of February. Work-wise, things are okay, a little bit slow down. So, when I give remedies, that makes your month much better. In fact, I would personally suggest take the February month of affirmation that I'll be just making for you, customized for your energies, and where I'll teach you how to follow that affirmations for all aspects of your life. You will actually see the difference in yourself when you follow that. You can WhatsApp me to learn that. Overall, you're feeling okay. Overall, the month is decent. Like you're fulfilled, you're fine. Even if you're not having everything that you want, you're still mentally okay. You're mentally doing decent. Not the best, decent. You are at the end of the day contented before you sleep. So that's with the energy of Feb. Let's see what universe has a very special message. At any point, if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Universe is saying that positive changes are going to come in days ahead in your life. Some people would also travel and relocate your city. And some relief is coming your way from challenging or problematic time that was going on earlier. So all in all, offloading of burden is happening and a change of place is possibly happening for a lot of you. That's the universe message. Stay tuned for more such videos.